Let's talk about the relationship between God, science, and logic. Logic is a simple know-how. Logic is a simple know-how. Now, take a look at what God has created. Let's use humans, for example. In order to achieve the creation of human, God has to assemble so many things together. God assembled the legs, the bones, the flesh, the intestines, the kidneys, the livers, the heart, the brain. You have to assemble. That is simple logic. You have to assemble. Now, God assembles all these things to create a human. And in creating a human, He also gives them a provision for where they can take in fuel, where they can take in energy and give out waste. Now, take a look at how the scientists operate. They assemble things together, assemble ideas together, assemble parts together to create something. And in whatever they have created, there is always an energy that needs to go in before the result comes out. Now, when you have understand simple logic, before you can create anything, you have to know what is called critical thinking. You have to understand, this is not taught in our Nigerian schools. You have to understand what is called critical thinking after understanding the simple logic of calculation. Now, if you understand critical thinking, with the help of critical thinking, you can be able to create things. Now, that is why you see, God created the world. The sun gives us energy. The sun gives the plant energy, and the plant gives humans or animals oxygen, and humans give plants carbon dioxide. You see this? This is how the world revolves. This is critical thinking. He had to do something to continue the existence of man. The similarity between God and science, you can simply see that God himself is actually a scientist. Whoever our creator is actually a scientist, because he used the logic and he used critical thinking in creating earth and keeping life forever. So when some people come to you and tell you that this world is going to end someday, it is a lie. That is why God has created the world in such a way that life is going to go forever. So when you are trying to ask logical question about any religion or about any God, do not allow anything to stop you, because God himself is logical. Do not allow anything to stop you. If there are conditions laid down to restrict you or to keep you from asking the right question, it is because they are hiding something from you.